Hi, in this video we will explore key concepts of equal roots in quadratic equation that often appear in exams. We will solve numerous exam questions. Watch till the end of the video to learn smart solving tricks of equal roots in quadratic equation. And please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's dive into it. In a given quadratic equation, the type of root is determined by the discriminant d equal to b squared minus 4ac. Thus, for real and distinct roots, d is greater than 0, b squared is greater than 4ac. Also, for equal roots, d is equal to 0, b squared is equal to 4ac. And for imaginary root, d is less than 0, b squared is less than 4ac. Now, in this video, we'll be discussing about equal roots, which is where the discriminant is equal to 0 and b squared is equal to 4ac. Now, question 1 says, find the value of k, which will make the quadratic expression 9s squared minus 12s plus k a perfect square. The given equation is 9s squared minus 12s plus k. Now, looking at the equation, for a perfect square, b squared is equal to 4ac. And from our expression, a is equal to 9 and b is equal to negative 12 and c is equal to k. Thus, if we substitute our values, we have that minus 12 all squared is equal to 4 times 9 times k. Minus 12 all squared is equal to 144, equal to 4 times 9 is 36 times k. Now, to make k the subject of the formula, we divide both sides of the equation by 36. 36 divided by 36, we have that k is equal to 144 divided by 36. So k is equal to 4. Thus, 4 must be added to the expression to make it a perfect square. Now, question 2 says, find the values of the constant k, which the equation 2s squared plus, open your bracket, k plus 3, close the bracket, multiplied by s, plus 2k equal to 0 are equal roots. So, the equation given to us is 2s squared plus, open the bracket, k plus 3, close the bracket, multiplied by x, plus 2k equal to 0. Now, at this point, our equation looks like our quadratic equation. So, from comparison, a is equal to 2, b is equal to k plus 3, and c is equal to 2k. And we have established that for equal roots, b squared is equal to 4ac. So we have that k plus 3 all squared will be equal to 4 times 2 times 2k. Now, let us expand the bracket in our left hand side. So we have that k squared plus 6k plus 9 equal to 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2k is 16k. 16k. At this point, we can collect like terms and group terms together. So we move 16 to the left hand side. So the equation becomes k squared plus 6k minus 16k plus 9 equal to 0. So we have that k squared minus 10k, because 6 minus 16 is minus 10, plus 9 equal to 0. Now at this point, we have to solve our quadratic equation to obtain the zeros, or to obtain the values of k. Now, using factorization method, we will look out for two numbers that their sum is equal to negative 10 and their product is equal to positive 9. So the two numbers are minus 9 and minus 1. This is because minus 9 plus minus 1 is equal to minus 10, and minus 9 times minus 1 is equal to 9. So therefore, the equation becomes k squared minus 9k minus k plus 9 equal to 0. At this point, we can group terms and factorize. The equation becomes k, open your bracket, k minus 9. This is because k times k is k squared. K times minus 9 is minus 9k. Minus 1, open your bracket, k minus 9 equal to 0. Now, we obtain minus here because minus 1 times k is equal to minus k, and minus 1 times minus 9 is equal to plus 9. So therefore, since we have the same terms in our bracket, the equation becomes k minus 1 multiplied by k minus 9 equal to 0. First, we establish that if a multiplied by b is equal to 0, it is true that a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. Therefore, we now have that k minus 1 is equal to 0 or k minus 9 is equal to 0. Thus, we have that k is equal to 1 or k is equal to 9. Therefore, the two values of k that will make our equation equal roots are 1 and 9. Please, if you know thus far that you have found value in the video, please smash the subscribe button and like the video. Let's take on question number 3. Number 3 says, find the values of m which the equation s squared plus, open the bracket, m minus 2, close the bracket, multiplied by s plus m plus 1 is equal to 0, has equal roots. So the equation given to us is s squared plus m minus 2 multiplied by x plus m plus 1 equal to 0. Now, considering our general equation, as squared plus bs plus c equal to 0. By comparison, you will find out that a is equal to 1 because the coefficient of x squared here is 1. B is equal to m minus 2, and C equal to m plus 1. But we established that for equal roots, b squared is equal to 4ac. So the equation becomes m minus 2 all squared equal to 4 times 1 times m plus 1. Now at this point, let us open up the bracket in our left hand side. So we have that m squared minus 4m plus 4 equal to 4 times 1 is 4 multiplied by m plus 1. Also, let us open up the bracket in our right hand side. So the equation becomes 4 times m is 4m, 4 times 1 is 4. So we have that m squared minus 4m plus 4. Now we can collect like terms. We will move all the values in our right hand side to the left hand side. So the equation becomes m squared minus 4m minus 4m plus 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So we have that m squared minus 4m is equal to minus 8m plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So we have our equation equal to 0. Now, since we have m squared minus 8m, we can factorize m. So the equation becomes m, open a bracket, m minus 8 equal to 0. So we have established that if a multiplied by b is equal to 0, so a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. Thus, we have that m is equal to 0 or m minus 8 is equal to 0. So from here, m is equal to 8. So therefore, 0 and 8 are the two values of m that will make our equation to have equal roots. Let us dive into the next question. Now, we have that we should find the values of lambda which the quadratic equation s squared minus 4s plus 1 equal to lambda multiplied by x minus 4 has equal roots. Now, the equation given to us is s squared minus 4x plus 1 equal to lambda multiplied by x minus 4. Now first, let us open up the bracket in our right hand side. So lambda times s is equal to lambda x. Lambda times minus 4 is equal to minus 4 lambda. Now we have s squared minus 4x plus 1. Now at this point, we move all the values in our right hand side to the left hand side. So the equation becomes s squared minus 4x minus lambda x plus 1 plus 4 lambda equal to 0. Now at this point, our equation now becomes s squared minus 4 plus lambda equals in the bracket multiplied by x. This is because minus times 4 is minus 4 and minus times lambda is minus lambda. So we can multiply the bracket using our x. So plus 1 plus 4 lambda, all enclosed in a bracket, equal to 0. Now, if we compare this with our general equation, as squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, we have that a is equal to 1 because the coefficient of x squared is 1. B is equal to minus 4 plus lambda, and also C is equal to 1 plus 4 lambda. Now, recall that for equal roots, b squared is equal to 4ac. Now, if we substitute, we have that minus 4 minus lambda all squared is equal to 4 times 1 times 1 plus 4 lambda. Now, let us open up the bracket in our left-hand side. So this becomes 16, because minus 4 squared is 16. 2 times minus 4 minus lambda is plus 8 lambda, and minus lambda squared is plus lambda squared, equal to 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 1 in the bracket is 4, plus 4 times 4 lambda is plus 16 lambda. Now at this point, we can group our terms and collect like terms. So we move all the values in the right hand side to the left hand side. So equation becomes lambda squared plus 8 lambda minus 16 lambda plus 16 minus 4 equal to 0. So we have lambda squared plus 8 lambda minus 16 lambda is minus 8 lambda, plus 16 minus 4 is 12, equal to 0. Now we now have a quadratic equation in lambda, so therefore we look for two values that their product is positive 12 and their sum is negative 8. So such two numbers are minus 6 and minus 2. This is because minus 6 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 8, and minus 6 times minus 2 is equal to plus 12. So if that is true, we now have the equation to become lambda squared minus 6 lambda minus 2 lambda plus 12 equal to 0. Now we can factorize. The equation becomes lambda, because lambda here is common, open a bracket, lambda minus 6 minus, we have 2, open a bracket, lambda minus 6 equal to 0. So since we have the same expression in our bracket, our equation becomes lambda minus 2, close the bracket, multiply by lambda minus 6 equal to 0. So we have obtained that if A multiplied by B is equal to 0, it is true that A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. Thus, we have that lambda minus 2 is equal to 0, or lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. Thus, lambda is equal to 2, or lambda is equal to 6. So the two values that will make our equation to have equal roots is 2 and 6. Now question number 5. We are asked to find the constant a, p, and q such that 3s squared minus 12s plus 6 is equal to a, open a bracket, x plus p all squared plus q are equal roots. So the equation is 3s squared minus 12x plus 16 is equal to a, open a bracket, x plus p all squared plus q. Now, from our equation, we have to expand the bracket in our right hand side. So we have that this is 3s squared minus 12x plus 16 equal to, we have a, open a bracket, s squared plus 2px plus p squared plus q. Now we open up the bracket, multiplying it by a, so the equation becomes a s squared plus 2aps plus a p squared plus q, and our left hand side remains 3s squared minus 12x plus 16. So from our equation, we can be able to equate terms. So we have that 3s squared is equal to a s squared. So at this point, s squared can cancel out s squared. So a is equal to 3. Also, minus 12x is equal to 2apx. So s can cancel out x. We'll be left with minus 12 equal to 2ap. But a is equal to 3. So we have that minus 12 is equal to 2 times 3 times p. So we have minus 12 is equal to 6p. So p is equal to minus 12 divided by 6. So p is equal to minus 2. Also, we can see that 16 is also equating terms with ap squared plus q. So 16 is equal to a p squared plus q. Now we have obtained the value of a, which is equal to 3, and obtained the value of p, which is equal to minus 2. So our equation becomes 16 equal to a multiplied by minus 2 all squared plus q. So we have 16 equal to 3, open a bracket, minus 2 squared is 4 plus q. So we can have that 16 is equal to 3 times 4 is 12 plus q. So q is equal to 16 minus 12. Therefore, q is equal to 4. Thus, we have obtained that a is equal to 3, p is equal to minus 2, and q is equal to 4. Please, if you have found value in this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you can encourage us to do more video. If you have any question, drop your question in the comment section and we will reply you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.